I'm proud India is pacing forward in addressing climate change by hosting its first ever Formula E race. My congratulations to KTR Garu, the government of Telangana and Anil Chalamala Shetty Garu for this very significant achievement. The Greenco Hyderabad E-Prix will take place on 11th February. Let's make India first ever net zero event, one for the history books. Let's go.
హాయ్ ఫార్ములా ఈ వరల్డ్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ ఇండియాలో మన హైదరాబాద్లో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్సైటింగ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేట్ న్యూస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ హిస్టారిక్. ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు థ్యాంక్ మన తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ అండ్ కేటీఆర్ గారు, అనిల్ చలం శెట్టి గారు ఫ్రమ్ గ్రీన్కో ఫర్ పుల్లింగ్ దిస్ ఆఫ్. సో సీ యూ ఆల్ ఆన్ February 11th, Greenco Hyderabad E-Prix.
I'm really excited that Hyderabad has made its mark on the world map of motorsports as Formula E comes to India. Leading our way to arrest climate change, let's make this event a grand success. Congratulations to KTR Garu, Telangana government and Chalam City Garu for creating history by bringing the first ever net zero event to India. Really looking forward to the Greenco Hyderabad E-Prix on Feb 11th.
Hi guys, this is Advisesh. The world's fastest electric racing vehicles are going to be descending on the streets of Hyderabad for India's first Formula E-Prix, officially called the Greenco E-Prix. I'd like to thank my Anna KTR Garu, the government of Telangana, and of course Anil Chalam Shetty Garu of Greenco for creating this. You're driving us towards a future of sustainability and decarbonization. The event's going to be on February 11th. See you there.
हाँ सुने, फॉर्मूला ई कार रेसिंग हैदराबाद में हो रहा थे. बाहर से ड्राइवर आके बहुत तेज चलाते कहते यार हो गाड़ियां. चुप बैठा यार, क्या तेज चलाते ना. मैं ऑटो निकाले तो तोली चौकी से गच्ची बोली 10 मिनट में मार दे तू गलियों में से. मेरे से तेज चलाते ना. क्या बात कर रहे. अरे ఈ ఫార్ములా రేసింగ్ అంతా ఈ కార్ అంట. ఈ కార్ అయితే ఏంది, ఆ కార్ అయితే ఏంది. నేను బైక్ ఫుట్పాత్ మీద ఎక్కించినానంటే ఏ కార్ అయినా వెనక పోవాల్సిందే. బ్రో, దీస్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కార్స్ బ్రో, దే గో ఫ్రమ్ 0 to 310 seconds bro. That's nothing bro. Yesterday in the traffic I went from 0 to 20 in 100 minutes bro.
Hello everyone. I'd like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to KT Ramarao Garu, the government of Telangana, and Anil Chalamala Shetty for bringing the Formula E World Championship to India, and more importantly to my city Hyderabad. And I'm super excited to see you all on February 11th at Greenco Hyderabad E-Prix. Let the races begin.
The Formula E World Championship comes to our glorious city Hyderabad. I cannot wait to see these Formula E cars zip through our city streets. On February 11th at the Greenco Formula E Hyderabad Grand Prix. Congratulations to the government of Telangana, KTR Garu and Anil Garu for making this a reality.
Hi everybody, I'm super excited about the Formula E World Championship happening on February 11th in Hyderabad. Hearty congratulations to all the people who made this happen, especially KTR Garu and Anil Chalam Shetty Garu of Greenco for having taken the first step towards decarbonized future, sustainable future. So, Feb 11th, Formula E World Championship in Hyderabad. Wow!